Welcome to K-Catalogue, your TagLish Korean compilation. This channel intends to teach the Korean language in Tagalog or TagLish and will be following the Korean Immigration and Integration Program or KIIP course outline. If you're new to this channel, baka gusto mong i-check yung previous lesson natin. Also, you may hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you have watched my previous videos and come to this part, I suggest that you have a pen and paper or anything that you can use to jot down notes and yung magagamit mo when you practice writing. We're now on the second half of our previous lesson, which is Basic Level Part 2. So we are still in HanGeul or Korean alphabet. From our previous lesson, we've learned about the 14 jaum or consonants, their names, their sounds, and how to write them. This time, we're going to combine the consonant and vowel, and from there, we'll be able to read and write some simple words, phrases, and even sentences. This slide, you will see from the right side, there's the list of our vowels and consonants from our previous lesson. And here sa left side, we have the consonant giyok plus the vowel a, g plus a. Ang basa sa kanya ay ga. Next, we have p, p, plus the vowel yo, p plus yo, pyo. Then we have miyum, m, plus vowel o, m, o, mo. Next, we have iyung. Again, si iyung kapag nasa left or upper position siya ng ibang letter, wala siyang sound or silent siya. Plus, we have the vowel u, so that will be read as u. Next, we have hiyut, h, plus yo, hyo. Last, si consonant jiyut, plus the vowel a, so that is ja, ja. So it's just like in phonics when we try to combine the sounds of each letter. Now let's practice. I'll be reading from left to right, so all you have to do is to repeat after me. Number 1, ga, go, gi, gu. Number 2, da, dia, do, du. Number 3, ga, mo, bu, bi. Number 4, mu, su, chi, ko. Number 5, ya, yo, yo, you. Number 6, k, ki, ka, ko. Number 7, hyo, hyo, hu, hue. Number 8, jo, ju, sa, so. Number 9, cho, chia, ju, z. Number 10, la, bu, ma, su. Number 11, mu, ma, bu, bo. Number 12, sho, su, shu, so. 잘했어요. So this is the phrase that they usually use when they try to compliment or praise you for a job well done. So it's a good job, or in Tagalog, mahusay. So depende na lang yon sa nuance or sa pagkakadeliver ng word. So pwedeng 잘했어 or di kaya 잘했어요. Now for this slide, you just have to listen and choose the correct answer. Again, yung sagot, it will be revealed right after each slide. Loh, dami pala nito. So, mas maganda if you have a pen and paper. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, sa, sa. Number 2, ko, ko. Number 3, mu, mu. Number 4, nu, nu. Number 5, ju, ju. Number 6, ta, ta. Number 7, bo, bo. Number 8, he. Number 9, do. Number 10, go. Number 11, chi. Number 12, law. 잘했어요. Now it's time for vocabulary. Here we have a pair of stilettos, singer, train. In Korean, gudu, gasu, gicha. A pair of shoes or sapatos in general, we called it in Korean, shinbal. Sa example natin kanina, a pair of stilettos, anything like this or yung mga ginagamit natin sa school, sa office, or anything formal like leather shoes, we call that gudu. Next slide, we have a tree and furniture. In Korean, namu and gagu. Nagmumura. Baka sabihin nyo bad words yan Hindi. So, yan talaga yung tawag ng mga Koreans sa puno at saka sa furniture. So, again, for tree, it's namu, and for furniture, it's gagu. Now, next slide, we have nabi, baji, biza. Now, we have mori, radio, moja. Next, binu, 여자, 아버지. Let me give you some reminders. First, HanGeul isn't written as a series of individual vowels or consonants. That means kapag susulat tayo, hindi pwedeng pa isa-isang letter. Rather, it is composed of syllabic units. That means kapag sinulat mo sila by twos or by pair of letters, bawal yung mag-isa. These syllables form the basic building blocks of written Korean. Second point, kapag nagsusulat tayo in Korean, we have to remember that there is an initial character, a medial character, and sometimes a final character. If you can recall, nung dinidiscuss ko si consonant E, yung 'di ba may sinasabi ako na left or upper position and then lower position. So later on, mas magaget niyo siya. And the last thing to remember, yung ating vowels a, ya, o, yo, and e, kapag sinusulat mo siya, usually nagfo-fall siya as medial character. So kapag sinulat mo siya, madalas pangalawang letter siya or nasa kanan part. And then yung mga vowels o, yo, u, yu, and u, nagfo-fall din sila as medial character, but this time ang position nila is nasa baba. Again, these are the things that we have to remember in written Korean. Let me show you the 4 ways on how you can combine vowels and consonants to form a syllabic unit. First type, we only have vowels. Again, if matatandaan nyo, nung pinakita ko kung paano isulat yung vowels, lagi kong sinusulat muna yung consonant E yung bago yung specific vowel kasi nga, bawal yung mag-isa lang siya. So, dapat by pair. So, if we will read this, we have a, wa, we. Here sa we, if you'll notice, meron tayong bagong vowel which is vowel e. Hindi pa natin siya nadidiscuss but we will do it on our next lesson. Second type is the consonant-vowel combination. We have here consonant giyok plus vowel a, ga. Next, consonant biyup plus vowel o, bo. And double consonant digut plus vowel wi, twi. So, dito sa pangatlo, again, puro bago siya. Double consonant digut and yung vowel wi. Lalabas yung mga yan sa mga upcoming lessons natin. Third type, we have consonant-vowel-consonant combination. So, yung una, nag. Consonant niyin, vowel a, consonant giyok. So, ito, we have our initial character which is consonant niyin, and then the medial character, vowel a, and the final character which is consonant giyok. Again, ang basa sa kanya, nag. Next is bul. Consonant biyup, vowel u, consonant riyul. Again, we can see our initial, medial, and final character. And then yung pangatlo, ang basa sa kanya, kwang. Here, meron na naman tayong mga bagong characters. We have the double consonant giyok, the vowel wa, and the iyung. And the fourth type is vowel consonant combination. We have al, vowel a, plus consonant real. If you notice, we still have the initial, medial, and final characters here. But since yung initial character natin is si consonant iyong, wala siyang value. That's why, diretso agad tayo kay vowel o. And then yung last character natin, which is consonant real. Then yung sumunod is consonant iyong, and then vowel u, consonant miyum. Again, nasa unahan ulit si consonant iyong, so no value ulit siya. Diretso tayo kay vowel u and consonant miyum. That's why vowel consonant combination siya. And yung last is un. Again, disregard yung value ni iyong dahil nasa upper position siya. And we have the vowel u and consonant miyum. So those are the 4 ways on how we can combine vowels and consonants to form a syllabic unit. Now let me show you how to write words, phrases, and sentences. Then I have here yung ating 4 combinations on how to form a syllabic unit. So we're going to write example words in Korean for each one. Unahin natin si vowel. So example word natin is e. Consonant iyung, no sound, and then vowel e. E, ibig sabihin ipin or teeth. Next, combination ng consonant and vowel. Example word natin is B. Consonant biyup plus the vowel E. B. Ibig sabihin, ulan or rain. Another word, P. Consonant piyup plus vowel E. P. Ibig sabihin, dugo or blood. Next, consonant-vowel consonant combination. Ang example word natin is bomb. Consonant biyup, vowel o, and consonant miyum. Again, si vowel o, yo, u, yu, and u, ang position nila is nasa baba. Pero si a, ya, o, yo, and e, ang position nila is nasa left. Ayan, okay? So again, here, bomb, ibig sabihin yan, tagsibol or spring. Another example word is gang. Consonant giyok, vowel a, consonant iyung. So dito, si iyung, nasa lower position siya. So, instead of no sound, ang sound niya is ng. So, g, a, ng, gang. Ang ibig sabihin niyan is ilog or river. And then last combination, vowel-consonant combination. Ang example word natin is al. Consonant iyung, again, since nasa left position siya, no sound. Vowel a, and then consonant real. Al, ibig sabihin, itlog or egg. I have here words in Tagalog and English, and we're going to write them in Korean. So first word, leon or lion in Korean is saja. Again, pag sumusulat tayo, syllables by syllables yung pagsulat natin. So, since saja siya, sa, ja. Next word, palda or skirt. In Korean, chima. Chi-ma. Next, ubas or grape. In Korean, podo. Po. And then last, luto or cook. In Korean, yori. Yan. Now let's write some Tagalog words. Remember, when writing some Tagalog or English word, ang technique is to divide or regroup mo muna yung word into syllables. For example, we will write aso. Divide each syllable so we have syllable a and syllable so. Then, saka mo ngayon isusulat in Korean yung corresponding sound ng bawat syllable. So, a, and then, so. Kanya ng spell ng aso in Korean. Now, let's try the word pusa. Again, divide first the word into syllables, pu and sa. Then, spell them in Korean based sa pronunciation. This is how we write pusa. Try naman natin si mama. So again, divide it into syllables, ma plus ma, and then spell them in Korean based on their corresponding sound, ma, ma. Now you can practice lahat ng natutunan natin from part 1 up to part 2. And that's it. Again, congratulations for you just have finished the second part of our basic level. And I hope to see you on the third part of our basic level. 또 뵙겠습니다. Before we end, let me share to you a Korean proverb or yung kasabihan nila dito sa Korea, which is 시작이 반이다. This means a good beginning is half the battle, or well begun is half done. We still have a lot of things to discuss when it comes to learning the Korean language, but the important thing is nasimulan mo na. And by that, pwede mong isipin na nagawa mo na yung kalahati ng trabaho mo. I hope you find this channel helpful, and if na-appreciate mo siya, kindly hit like and subscribe. You might also like to share para dun sa mga kakilala nyo na gusto rin or interested sa Korean language. So I'll see you on my next videos, and thanks for watching!